You can start. Actually, yes, start.
Hi. This video is basically to explain the Bluetooth module and RFID reader module. Now I have turned on the device. Now let me turn on the Bluetooth module. In order to turn on the Bluetooth module, you need to press this button twice. That is Bluetooth button twice. You heard a beep sound which indicates that Bluetooth module is on. Now I have this Android mobile. In this, I need to turn on the Bluetooth module. When I turn on, it will show the available devices. Now AWR 100 is our device. It is showed, and now you have to pair with the device. Now the pairing process is going on. Yeah, it asks for a passkey. You just click on pair, and the pairing process is done. Now you go to Aggredent app. 1 minute, let me come from the beginning. Now you go to Aggredent app. Now in this Aggredent app, you click on this menu button, go to connect devices, then you need to select this AWR 100 module. Only when you pair, it reflects on this list. Now what I am going to do is, since it is showing some 56, I am going to erase memory in the EEPROM so that we can start from the scratch. Now I am going to this again menu button, delete, I'm going to this menu option, and I am going to this reader module. In this you have two options, one to set clock and other to erase memory. Now I am erasing the memory. Just give OK. It shows that reader memory has been erased. You click on OK. Now you see the display module. It shows 0. Even the count on the panel is made 0, and whatever memory, whatever tag ID it had stored in EEPROM is also erased. Now let me come back, and now I will explain the online mode, how it works. You have two buttons basically, download and online mode. Download button, I come to it later. Now I will explain this online mode. Click on this button. You can choose whatever name of the group you want. Now let it be in group 1. Click on OK. Right now it is in group 1 mode. Okay, start the mode. Yeah. Now please start the motor. Yeah, one tag ID is read. You see the count has been increased to 1, and you heard a beep sound simultaneously, which indicates that the tag has been read, and also you can see the number, tag ID, whichever it has read. Okay, now we shall work it continuously. See, it is reading the tags continuously. Okay, stop. Connection broken.